Hello and welcome to part 0 of the Unity Modular Weapon System tutorial. In this part, I'm just going to be basically showcasing the weapon system that I already have made to show you why a modular weapon system is awesome. So the idea behind this modular weapon system is that you have a weapon class. This is just the universal class for every single weapon you have, and then you add functionality to that weapon by using small little modules. Like, for example, we have a weapon constant damage module over here, which deals constant damage to the things we hit. We have an aim module. That aim module has modules of itself, like the aim speed and stuff like that. So the benefit of using something like this is that you can basically have some very deep customization level in your system, so instead of doing the usual inheritance route where you have like a weapon class and then you have an automatic weapon class that inherits from that weapon, and then you have a melee weapon class that inherits from that base weapon class, you can do something like this, and this will save you from repeating a lot of code. So let me show you this thing in the work right now. It's pretty feature complete. You can aim your weapon, you can change the sight you're on, you can shoot, you can reload. It's pretty feature complete at the moment, and it's very easily customizable, and that's the biggest strength of this thing. So before we begin this tutorial, I should let you know that this system that I'm using right now, it's inspired by a tutorial series, another tutorial series by a channel called Webcam. He calls it a weapon system with mix-ins, and this is basically sort of the same thing, but I try to improve upon it a little bit, by doing my thing. So I'll link to that mix-in tutorial in the description if you want to see it. And this tutorial series is somewhat aimed at an intermediate level of programming knowledge. We're going to be using a lot of interfaces, a lot of events, delegates, and stuff like that. So if you're a beginner, you might get lost a lot, but still, hopefully you watch this tutorial series and hopefully you'll learn something new from it. Goodbye.